Okay, so in part one of Is the Diana Bandit a 50-yard plinker, I had a red dot sight, and I said that this thing could hit whatever you could see with it. So, and I did say that maybe if I get a Leapers UTG, handgun scope 2 to 7x, that it could probably work. But I gotta tell you, and I gotta keep it 100 with you. This scope, it's got to be the first UTG scope that I don't like. Uh, the eye relief is just too far. If you don't have it all the way extended out, you can't see. You just can't see. It's just too far out, and I ain't got the longest arms. You know what I'm saying? So it's kind of hard to see down there. And looking through it, I got it sighted in pretty good, but as soon as I got it sighted in, it started this crosswind, right to left crosswind down here. So I don't know how accurate it's going to be. What I got is two cans down there, and trying to prove this theory that you could hit one of these at 50 yards. So let's see. Boy, it's really hard to see through this scope, So here we go. Missed on that one. I can see the target, but this wind is kind of wild. Like it came out of nowhere. That was the first try. Another miss. Alright, let's try again. I got him that time. Big old can of green beans. 3 times the charm. Let's go see. Let's go see if we did any damage. It knocked it down, so it's got some power. We're gonna ride down. We're gonna ride down this time. There you go. Just ride on down. Hang on. Gonna ride on down. Check it out. I hope I hit it good. Let's see here. Damn, I didn't even hit it. Yeah, I hit it right at the bottom. Right at the bottom there. So, I'm not even gonna continue with this scope because it's just too hard. It's just too hard. Maybe there's another brand of scope that I could try, but to be honest, I'm just gonna go right back to that red dot and keep things within the range that I can see them. You know what I'm saying? So that's that with the experiment of can the Diana Bandit be a 50-yard plinker? Yeah, you be the judge of that.